Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Anjoli and I would like to show you in bagging from Aliexpress. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe. If not, it's up to you. I don't mind. I got a little bagging going on here. It's from the Homfun official store from Aliexpress. They call it the Christmas boot scenery. This will be the one I will be doing right after Derek Jeter. Finally got half of it done. I'm sealing the half of the Derek Jeter one just because it has a lot of popping drills. So it's already in the garage. I sprayed it, waiting for it to dry before I start the other half. But this will be my next one that I will be doing after the Derek Jeter one because it's the Christmas one. And by the time I get done with Derek Jeter, it'll probably be close to Christmas time. So it's a 30 by 40, which we will still measure. It's round drills. I don't know how many colors yet. I paid $7.81 plus 47 cents tax. And altogether it's $8.28, which I didn't think was bad for a 30 by 40. I ordered it on September 14th. It shipped out on September 16th. And I got it on the 26th, which was pretty fast. But I want to show you something here. So, as I was looking at the return address, it says Kentucky. Isn't that weird? It claimed it shipped out of China. And it went through customs on the 22nd. But this came fairly quick. Yeah, just cut my nail with the scissors here. It came fairly quick and I'm very surprised. I do have other diamond paintings coming, but I can't really show you those because they're from my mom for Christmas. But I bought this one for myself. I'm going to have to cut my nail off it. And it's from the Homfun store. Usually they're true to size. We're going to see. I never had a problem with Homefun store. Some of theirs have been a little crinkly, but not bad. Alright. Throw that on the floor. Get my garbage out the way, don't mind me. But we will be measuring because it's been a while since I ordered anything from the Homefun store. So I'm not sure if their ways might have changed, but we will double check this. So standard toolkit. Nothing fancy smancy about it. A little bit of baggies, a three-placer. Don't mind my crinkling. I'm just getting the inventory sheet out. Let's see what we have here. Wow, 33 colors. 33 colors here. Very easy to read. Inventory sheet, a lot of letters, numbers. I'm not seeing any weird symbols. No 310s. Some 939s though. Yeah, just letters and numbers. So hopefully it'll be easy to read. The most it looks like I have are 3750s, 8 bags. And 8 bags of 647, which is a tannish color, which we will be doing inventory. That's what this one looks like. It's a 30 by 40. And this thing looks so tiny. So tiny compared to that Derek Jeter one that I'm working on. I just want to get some of my stuff out the way. So I said 33 colors. Let me write that down real quick. Okay. Scissors and the pen and all that good stuff out the way. I'll do inventory, of course, off screen. Let's see what we got here. Hold on. Alright, so this one's really tiny. I'm so used to that huge, what is it, 60 by 90 I'm working on? I'm halfway done with it, which I can't wait because I want to start something new. I am tired of seeing Derek Jeter. Not to be mean, but yeah, I'm tired. So it's at 40 by 30 actually, I'm sorry. And there is the inventory not the inventory, the legend on the side here, which is pretty big. I don't know why the bigger ones, they make them smaller. It makes no sense to me why they do that. They need to change that because I need the inventory sheet for the Derek Jeter one because it's so tiny. Alright. Trying to see the best way to do this without wrecking it. Alright. Good so far. Let's see. Looks good. I'm not seeing any creases. I'm not seeing any bubbles. I'm by a window, so I'm trying to get as much natural light as possible. It looks like through the viewfinder that you should be able to see Merry Christmas there. If not, I will be changing out some of those drills, so it will come out. Keep going back a little further. I think I'll stop there because I don't want the cover to come off fully. Of course, I'm trying to flatten it, and now it wants to screw up on me. Alright. So you just see a little waves, but that is nothing. That has nothing to do with the two-sided tape at all. And I think that will come out pretty nice. So we want to compare. It's supposed to say Merry Christmas in the middle, which I see the M through the viewfinder. I see the C. I know I got the glare from outside, but I want as much natural light so you see the true colors. I think that will come out. Maybe this will look a little funny, the branch. You won't get too much detail. But I think it will look good. Same thing with the lantern. It might be a little but my main thing is the Merry Christmas and the presents. Majority of that. And I don't think any of the symbols, no. We got the training wheels though. I don't see anything that would be hard to read. Maybe the G, because the G is very light. You see, the G is very light. It's trying to get my finger in here, right there. The G. Other than that, I think with the light pad, if you need it, it will be fine. All right, let's close this side up and start opening the next side real quick, but I think this one is fine. I've never had any problem with the Homfun store. I think on one of them I was short a couple of drills and they sent them out right away. No questions asked. They were awesome. I was short a couple on the inventory, but it was fine. All right, there's a light crease right here. Very, very light, but it's not something that's like devastating. So I think it will come out fine. I'm not gonna have any problems. This is so much easier to open too compared to that big one that I haven't actually done anything with a lot of small ones in a while, that they just seem more easier to even manage, and they seem so tiny now. Like a 30 by 40 is perfect size, but to me it's just so small. Okay, this is number 224. This is how they're coming packaged, so it's easier to read. I don't see any garbage in there, but I'm going to do a quick inventory and I'll let you know how it went. Alright, everything was here. I had no problems with my inventory. I do like it that they're using letters and numbers instead of word symbols. The colors that I liked the most was 3705, which is not one that I get a lot. But that's like a really, and it looks orange, but it's pink. It's a really bright pink. So I like that color. 3801 is another very bright orangey pink color. So it's probably going to be used for some shading, the ornaments and the boot. Another one's like a mod 3731, like a dusty, very dusty pink. We have some blues. Probably going to be the shading for some of the branches. Some really light mint colors, probably for the snow. Of course, 3756 is like a white. Some very light pink. Other than that, you know, typical colors. The colors I'm not used to seeing too much of. Of course, at the moment, I've seen too many 939s doing Derek Jeter, but and 823s. But if you guys do want to see that, I will show you how it looks. Give me 1 second. I'm going to measure this. I totally forgot before I did inventory. Okay, real quick. Oops, I'm on the inches instead of centimeters. Let's get this right. So I'm trying to go, yes, so it is a little teeny bit under 40. Very smidge, it's not much. I will say it's on point. Now, let's see. Am I doing this? No, there we go. Same thing on the 30. It's a little off. It's like very small. So I will say they're on point, 30 by 40 of the image size, not the canvas. So they're true to size of image, if that's what you're looking for. Now I will go downstairs and show you what the half of Derek Jeter is looking like. All right, I'm holding the tripod, so I'm sorry if it's a little shaky. But we are also in my garage, so it's a little dim down here. I just got done spraying it with Rust-Oleum Stop Rust Clear, Crystal Clear Enamel. It's a glossy finish. I got this from like Home Depot for not even $4. This is what I spray my diamond paintings with so far. But like I said, we're in my garage, so don't mind the little messy background, the dirty floor. So that looks awesome. So I got half of it done. I did spray it, like I said, because popping drill issues. I'm very scared of... No, get out of here. Sorry, there's a net. I'm sorry for that. I don't want sticking to the diamond painting. I sprayed it right before I started the video, doing the unbagging. But it should be dry. It just reeks of, you know, spray paint. So I'm trying to let it air out a little bit before I bring it back upstairs and start the other half. Like I said, I started this in April, but I was having a rough year. I started this April 30th and I only got half of it done. First of all, the painting was giving me issues. The seller never got back to me about my my 310s popping. They don't fit. I think they were too big. I've had problems with the 939s also. They never got back to me, so I just ordered them from where is it? Diamond Drills USA? I'm always getting it confused. But I think this is coming out wonderful. I can't wait to be done with it. I already have a frame for it. My husband's like, when are you going to finish? When are you going to finish? So I got to get it done. But it looks awesome. Awesome. So I can't wait for it to be done so I can do a review and to show you guys the whole picture. But yeah, that was it. So thank you for watching. Have a blessed day. I'll keep on diamond painting. I'm sorry I haven't had a lot of videos. I just started buying diamond paintings again. I've been so busy. I had a funeral to plan, of getting paperwork done. When someone passes away and you're power of attorney, you have a lot of things to, little loose ends to tie up and let different places, you know that that person's no longer with us. You know, had to look into getting a place for him to live with us. After he moves in with us, 2 weeks later, he passes away. So it was very stressful. And then I also lost my grandmother in March. So I had to go to Connecticut for the funeral. So it's just been a crazy year for me. Of course, everyone else too, but it's just been family-wise crazy. So sorry I haven't had a lot of videos, but thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you do like what you see. If you want to like the video, you can. I know YouTube tries to push you guys to do that because, you know, it just lets them know if the more likes, I guess, you have, the more better, I don't know, statistic or whatever they do, their little lingo. I'm not even sure what that's about. But that was it. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.